Are you ready to unlock the true potential of your 3D printer? For makers who demand precision, speed, and the ability to work with the most advanced materials, a standard hot end often becomes the limiting factor. That's where the K1 Max ceramic heating element upgraded hot end kit comes in. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a transformation for your printer designed to push the boundaries of what you thought was possible. Let's dive into what makes this kit so revolutionary. At its heart is the advanced ceramic heating element. Unlike traditional cartridge heaters, ceramic elements offer incredibly rapid and uniform heating. This means your hot end reaches its target temperature much faster and maintains it with greater stability throughout the entire print job. This efficiency not only saves time, but also contributes to a more consistent and reliable printing experience. The core strength of this upgraded hot end is its astonishing temperature capability. Rated for an impressive 550 degrees Celsius, it opens up a whole new world of filament options. We're talking about high-performance, engineering-grade materials that would simply melt or clog a conventional hot end. This isn't just about printing PLA or ABS faster, it's about venturing into uncharted territory for your hobby or professional projects. Beyond the heating element, the entire hot end design has been meticulously engineered for optimal performance. It boasts an improved thermal barrier, significantly reducing heat creep and the frustrating clogs that often plague other setups. This thoughtful design ensures a smoother filament path and better heat management, crucial for high-temperature applications. The kit also includes a standard 0.4mm nozzle, a versatile choice that balances fine detail with reasonable print speeds. But the beauty is, with its high-temperature capability, you can easily swap in different nozzle sizes and materials, including hardened steel or ruby nozzles, to tackle even the most abrasive filaments. And for those of you with popular MK2a compatible printers, this kit is designed for a straightforward direct replacement, making the upgrade process surprisingly accessible. So, what do these incredible features translate into for you, the maker? Firstly, and perhaps most excitingly, you gain the freedom to experiment with a vast array of advanced materials. Imagine printing with high-strength nylon, durable PETG, or even venturing into exotic composites like carbon fiber reinforced filaments. This kit makes those ambitious projects a reality, expanding your creative and functional possibilities exponentially. Secondly, you'll experience a noticeable leap in print quality. The consistent and stable temperature control minimizes thermal fluctuations, leading to superior layer adhesion, fewer imperfections, and incredibly smooth surface finishes, even on intricate designs. This translates to stronger, more visually appealing parts every single time. Furthermore, the K1 Max hot end enables faster printing without sacrificing quality. Thanks to its efficient heating and stable temperatures, you can often push your print speeds higher, drastically reducing overall print times, which is a huge advantage for larger models or production runs. Say goodbye to frequent clogs and tedious maintenance. The optimized design inherently reduces the likelihood of filament jams, saving you valuable time, filament waste, and a lot of frustration. This means more printing and less troubleshooting. Lastly, this kit is built to last. Its robust construction and high-quality components ensure exceptional durability, even under the stress of continuous high-temperature printing, offering you a reliable partner for countless projects to come. Installing this upgraded hot end is designed to be a smooth process for MK2a compatible printers. While exact steps may vary slightly depending on your specific printer model, the general principle is a direct swap. Always remember to power down your printer completely before beginning any installation and consult your printer's manual for specific safety guidelines. Once installed, a quick PID tuning might be beneficial to optimize your printer's thermal performance with its new heart. You'll be ready to embark on your high-performance printing journey in no time. Ready to take your 3D printing to the next level? The K1 Max ceramic heating element upgraded hot end kit is more than just a component. It's an investment in your creativity and the future of your 3D printing endeavors. Unlock new materials, achieve unparalleled print quality, and experience reliable performance like never before. Don't let your printer hold you back any longer. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get yours today. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting upgrades, and let us know in the comments what amazing projects you plan to tackle with this powerful hot end. Happy printing!